Scientist is observing a bacteria through a compound microscope. For better analysis and to improve its resolving power, he should increase wavelength of light, increase the refractive index of medium between object and objective lens, decrease focal length of eyepiece, and decrease diameter of the objective lens. In order to understand this, we just have to know the formula for resolving power. P is equal to 2 mu sine theta by 1.22 lambda. So with this information we know if to increase the resolving power, he should either increase the refractive index medium between object and objective lens, or he should increase the angle, or he should decrease the wavelength of the light used. So which of the option is given to us? We are given increased wavelength, which is not correct. Increase refractive index of medium between object and object lens, that is correct. Decrease focal length, no, focal length is not applicable over here. Decrease diameter of objective lens, which is also not applicable over here. So our only correct option, best option, is increase the refractive index of medium between object and objective lens.